Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Prometheus to Grafana. Now the first thing I want you to do is come in the left hand panel, click on this drop down under connections, and then I want you to go ahead and click on add new connection. Okay, and here you can just scroll down and find Prometheus, or you can just search it up as well. So let's search for Prometheus. Right here we should see it. So let's just type in Pro. And there we go. So here is Prometheus. You can go ahead and click on it and then click on add new data source. So it has been added as a data source. So whenever you come to data sources, you should see Prometheus listed. Then you just go ahead and click on it. Okay. And then we need to configure the settings. So you can go to name it right here. You need to put in the Prometheus URL. So the default one is this right here. This is the default, okay? Unless there is another URL for the site or server, you can go ahead and use that. Now we need to choose the authentication method. So whether it's a basic authentication or forward or authentication identity, to choose whichever one it is, you use your credential, you use your password. If there's any TLS settings, any advanced settings, all of this, you need to set it up. Okay, you choose your Prometheus type, whichever one it is, and then you select the version, things like that. Just configure everything. And once you're done with it, you can just click here on save and test. Okay, make sure you go ahead and also, define your scrapes, and you should be good to go. So that is how to connect Prometheus to Grafana.